퍼플 자켓 있어?
갑자기 신데 이거
비슷한.
비싼 거 없지. 이거 뭐 이거 한 거 그
아빠 이게 겨울 윈드브레이커 못 입어.
윈드브레이커 뒤에 있는 거.
맞겠네. I'm on my way back to the Grand Hyatt because I am doing a staycation with Coco. I didn't really get time to like hang out, so got my bags.
Thank you so much for being here.
I really wanted to eat dots. 아 진짜? You liked it that much? Oh, the smell. So good. I'm salivating right now. 맛있어? My camera. I like how like light it is.
Nice. You and me?
This is like you.
Yeah. It was super long.
Today felt like the first day of winter. Like it got cold out of nowhere and it's freezing. For our first day, we just basically checked in, ate, did a little bit of shopping. Coco needed to film something for work, so we did that, and now we are just absolutely exhausted. We ordered food delivery. We got 닭발, which is so good. Smell.
Wow. The smell.
크리피스는 너무 작나? Hope it's not too spicy. 맛있다.
동생 따라보면.
Say it in English. Like, why am I here? 이것도 아니고. 나 왜 여기 있어? No, it's because I thought you were my mom. Oh, so pretty. We are actually going to Nonfiction, which is one of my favorite fragrance brands. They're so big in Korea. They opened a store in Seongsu, and I arrived just in time for their holiday decor. I want to show you guys the holiday collection because it's so cute. One thing that Nonfiction does really well is their packaging. So this is the hand cream. So usually it comes, I mean, the original color is green. But then for the holidays, it comes like this. This is their mini trio perfume and it looks like this. It has this velvet pouch. I thought this was really cute as well. My personal favorite scent from Nonfiction is Gentle Night, which reminds me of a cozy winter night. It's also one of Nonfiction's signature scent. And for candles, I love Table Guest and Peace Top. With the purchase of their biggest candle size, which is 600 grams, you can get a complimentary accessory kit. And if you're visiting in-store with any candle purchase, you can get complimentary matches as a gift with purchase. Nonfiction has some of the most beautiful packaging and perfect for holiday gifting. For the first time ever, they are offering a promo code for my viewers for Black Fridays. You can use my code Michelle for 15% off on Nonfiction's global site. On my way to dinner.
그러니까요. 오, 둘 다 예쁘다. 오, 예쁘다.
신세계 백화점 in Myeongdong to get my dad a puffer jacket because this man thinks that his windbreaker is enough to survive Korea's winter. Clearly, he has no idea. 여기는 어때? 여기가? 지금 딱 맞지?
길이가 아니야. 아무래도 길어. Sweet home. I feel and look absolutely disgusting. I'm gonna take a shower. Here.